Hello, here we are at 15124 North Holsteiner for my first virtual open house. Thanks for joining me. I'm looking forward to showing you this house, showing you what a great home this would be for anybody who's interested, ready to buy a house. I'm going to start by showing you the exterior, and then we're going to go in and we'll walk around and I'll tell you a little bit about the house. Just here's the front. 3-car garage. Wanted to show you the neighborhood. Beautiful neighborhood. This is the Black Horse subdivision in Catalina. The nice, beautiful, mature garden that they have here. Got that beautiful mesquite tree. This house was built in 2005, and it is the original owner. When she had the house built, she upgraded quite a few things in the kitchen, which you'll see in just a few minutes. But we'll come in the entryway. As you can see, beautiful tile floors. They replaced the carpeting and put in their own had tile floors put in. We'll go there in a little bit, but let me show you the guest bedrooms. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. So this is the first guest bedroom. This is the one at the very front of the house. It's fairly large. Then we've got the guest bathroom. And yes, the toilet seat is down for those of you agents who know we need to make sure the toilet seat is down. Again, here's the tile all throughout most of the house. There is carpeting. Here's the second guest bedroom. I love this bed. There is carpeting, and the sellers are going to have it steam cleaned professionally prior to close of escrow because they do have 2 dogs. So they know that some people might be sensitive to that. Here's the third guest bedroom. This is probably the smallest one and has been used as the office. So we'll come out of here, head back. Here's the front entrance. Got a nice closet here, coat closet. It's amazing in Tucson how many people want a coat closet, you know, for that month that we actually wear coats. This is the front room, and we'll come back to this in just a little bit. I'm gonna take you into the master bedroom. As you can see, it's a fairly large bedroom. Actually, we don't use master anymore. We use main bedroom. One of the things you'll see about this house is it's got lots of natural lighting. You don't need to use lights, but there's the shower. It's got a nice little tub there. So you got both in the main bathroom. There's the walk-in closet. Go ahead and shut that. It's got 2 sinks in the vanity. Very nice woodwork. And then the other thing that I really like about this bedroom is it has its own separate entrance to the patio. I'll make sure that's unlocked. This is a nice little oasis in the back. You can see all of the mature plantings back here. Everything is on drip. At night, it's supposed to be spectacular. One of the things that the sellers did was they also extended the patio. So this part right here that you're looking at, where the table is, over to here, that wasn't original. This was the original patio. So they added that on and then added this little tarp over the top, which will stay with the house. But you can just imagine sitting out here at night, having a cup of coffee or adult beverage, whatever works for you. And then we'll come in the back door. And you can see it's got a very nice open floor plan. There's the entrance. And then we're gonna go into the kitchen and take a look at the kitchen. This is where a lot of the upgrades took place. I'm gonna let Marge know that she can move over. Marge, you can go ahead and go over. When they were having the house constructed, they upgraded. So you'll see that there is the granite tile as well as the cabinetry. It's beautiful. I don't know if it is showing very well through the video, but it is absolutely beautiful. Brand new dishwasher and upgraded appliances. Again, you can see lots of the natural light coming in from outside. And then there's this bonus room over here. with, again, the carpeting has been removed and all tile put in here. This is a nice little TV room or whatever it is that you want to turn it into. So we'll come back around. And then we're going to finish off with the 3-car garage. Oh, here's its own separate, washroom. Washer and dryers do come with the house. And then we're going to finish out here. As I said, ignore the stuff on the right. That will all be gone, obviously. And it is a 3-car garage, which is not common in lots of parts of town, but it certainly is in this development. So that is the house. It's a 15124 North Holsteiner in Catalina. It is going for $315,000, not dollars. And if you don't have an agent and you'd like to get a private tour, just message me and I'll be more than happy to set up an appointment for you. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day.